Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an OCTROT brand heated electric blanket and it's not working, and it might even be giving you an error message on the controller, and you're wondering what's going on and what do I need to get this fixed. So if this is happening, 95% of the time this is happening because of a poor connection somewhere. So that the controller is getting enough electricity to show the error, but it's not getting enough electricity to actually run the heating element on the blanket. So all you need to do to get this fixed is to figure out what's going on from a sense of where the bad connection is. So you just want to unplug it from the wall, and then first of all check the wiring going into the controller and out of the controller and into the blanket and out of the blanket, and make sure there's no nothing frayed or disconnected there. And then the next thing you want to do is plug it directly into the wall and check and make sure you have it snugly plugged in. And if you were using an extension cord or a power strip, don't use that. And then see if the error goes away. And if the error goes away after taking away the extension cord or the power strip, you know that that extension cord or power strip just wasn't heavy duty enough to actually run this blanket. And you'll need to just either use the blanket plugged directly into the wall or get a heavy duty enough extension cord or power strip to handle it. So anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.